In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a custom domain through Shopify step by step. A custom domain helps make your store look more professional and builds trust with your customers. So let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page, look toward the bottom left corner and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, find and click on Domains. This section is where you manage all domain-related settings for your store. Now click on Buy New Domain. Shopify will open a search field where you can look for available domain names for your business. Type in the domain name you want to use for your store. Shopify will automatically check availability and show you different domain options along with their pricing. Take your time to choose a domain that matches your brand name and is easy for customers to remember. Once you find the domain you want, click Buy next to it. After that, follow the checkout prompts to complete your purchase. You may need to confirm your payment information before finalizing the order. Once the purchase is complete, Shopify will automatically connect the domain to your store, making the setup process simple and seamless. And that's it. You've successfully purchased a custom Shopify domain directly through Shopify. Thanks for watching and happy selling.